We decided today to lower the target for the federal funds rate by 1/4 of a percentage point to a range of 2% to 2.25%.
Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to get a quick video out going over kind of like what was going on today, taking a viewpoint of, the whole Fed speaking and what Powell had to say in his testimony. I just wanted to give my quick opinion on it because, sitting back and reflecting on, everything that happened with the market today, I can't say that it wasn't not expected. I think in the past month, ever since that June meeting that the Fed had where they really hinted at the rates getting cut, the market was being bought up in obviously the hope that the rates were going to be cut. And I think everybody almost knew that the rates were going to be cut. And the reason for today's sell-off was because instead of a, 0.5 basis point cut, it was 0.25. And I think that disturbed a lot of people, and it kind of created this, mystery as to where we're heading next. And I think Powell also reassured investors that, there's a possibility that there's going to be no future rate cuts as well. So everybody's kind of just uncertain with where we're headed in the future. And, previously up until the meeting today, we were pretty much on a straight line, almost saying, okay, we know rates are getting cut and it's going to be done that way. And it ended up not being that way. The news today and the deal with the rate cut, I don't think is bad for the market. Overall, our economy is still strong. Our numbers have been strong. Our data has been strong. Our June reports have been strong. Everything's been strong. The reason they are deciding to cut the rates is because of geopolitical, risks. They're sort of cutting our rates over here as what I'm thinking as a hedge against any of those external forces that could be adding some pressure to our markets in the future. So I think it's a hedge short term. Obviously, it always gets adjusted. So, focusing in on what we're doing now and our longer term growth, I personally don't think that today's market changes much of my opinion going forward. As a standpoint, we did sell off today, and personally, I just think it was a bit of an overextended move. Obviously, we're going to have to give the market some time to sit there and consolidate and, figure out what's going on and let everybody else do what they want to do. I don't really give a shit what everybody else wants to do as far as the market goes. We just got to sit on the sidelines and sort of take note and, focus in on these levels that I provide in the chat every day and see where we, start getting bought up at, where, how we're gapping up in the morning, what the morning strength is looking like, what the morning, deal is, who's showing up in the morning, who's, bears or bulls or bears, and we'll take it from there, as far as the rates go, and one day at a time as always. So I'll talk to you guys over the weekend and get that done.